When your lawn dries out and starts to turn brown, it could be because it's become hydrophobic or waterproof, making the soil impossible to re-wet. This is known as dry patch. It can be made worse for various reasons: fungal disease, compact soil, thick thatch, and long hot dry periods, to name a few. We have seen climate change affect lawn care all throughout the year. Spring has typically become very warm and dry, and autumn often very wet. Summer. Do we even have a summer anymore? It is better to prevent your lawn drying out in the first place, but when dry patch does affect your lawn, there are a number of things we can do. Regular scarifying and aerating to help break up thatch, and regular fertiliser to maintain grass strength. But the most important thing you can do is water your lawn regularly through dry periods. Greensleeves use a professional wetting agent to allow the water to reach the hydrophobic soil and plant roots. You should also raise your mower height, because all the moisture is retained in the grass leaf, so cutting it too short will encourage it to dry out more quickly. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.